This is a recipe was taught by my mother very many years ago, and we are going to be making some scrambled eggs, and you will only need just a few ingredients. And I have my one egg that I've already washed, so you don't have to worry about that. I have my salt, some cooking oil, some milk, and this is also an ingredient. And I also have some black pepper, but you can also leave this out. And I'm going to be showing you how she taught me. And without further ado, let's get started. So we'll start by breaking our egg, and the reason as to why I always wash my egg is so that just in case if at all I break and the shell enters into the egg, I do not have to worry because it's already clean. Then I'm going to add a pinch of salt and also a pinch of black pepper. Then I'm going to beat this. Then I'm going to neutralize this by adding some milk and just eyeballing. Then I'm going to mix this till everything is well combined. And this is exactly what we want. Then let's proceed to the other side and let's start cooking. Once my pan is hot, I'll just go in with a few drops of cooking oil. Then I'll add in my egg. Then we'll start the scrambling process. And I'm going to do it in intervals because I do not want really small scrambled eggs. I want some chunky scrambled eggs. So I'll do that, pause a little bit, then do that again, then pause a little bit. So this is a perfect size, so I can now start tossing them around so that they can cook evenly. And this is such an easy recipe. It wouldn't take you more than 2 minutes to do this. And my eggs are almost done, and you'll cook this according to how you like your eggs. I like my eggs perfectly done. So at this point they are done, but I want some little bit of the color, so I'm just going to leave them on the fire for a couple of more seconds. Then I should have achieved the desired color, and this is what I want. Some bits of brown here and there. Oh, and this is done. How easy was that? And it's that simple, and this literally took less than 2 minutes. And after minutes I'm hungry. This is legit. This is a very good recipe. This is a very legit recipe to have for breakfast, and you can also teach your kids this. And that's pretty much it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. I also hope you're going to try this recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.